Barber Up. All right, guys, this is a little behind the scenes action of how I set up to do my shaving reviews. I believe Mark D asked me about it. Now, I'm showing off my fancy new case. That's really what I want to do, guys. But I have my iPhone on a nice mount here. This is a Manfrotto mount that's attached to a Fat Gecko suction cup. I suction it right to the mirror in the bathroom, so I get a nice view of myself in the mirror, as well as capturing the shot for you guys. And this is just the reverse angle of that. Just a little behind the scenes action. You see the value I bring to you guys? And now I'm gonna get ready to shave, because that's what you came here for. But look at this case. Now guys, I showed this bad boy off earlier today in a live stream, and I said I would wait till tomorrow to shave with it, but I'm so excited that I'm busting it out tonight. I'm midnight shaving. So regardless of when I drop the video, when I edit it, I was just really excited about it. Now, my buddy Carl informed me, because he did some research, that this is a brass handle here. And what I like about this handle for this Barber Up DE razor is the heft. It's really a hefty blade, which will allow me to really let the blade do the work. So without further ado, let's get to shaving. All right, so I've prepped my skin, I've lathered up, I'm ready for the shave. Now let me pull this out again. It's the Barber Up on Amazon special kit that comes with green sticks for folks who cut themselves. There's a bunch of these sticks that you can apply. I don't have that problem because my technique is so great. And the kit also comes with Astra Superior Premium blades, 5 of them. So I'll be using that in my shave today. Now, this beautiful brass handle, again, very hefty, closed comb head here. It's a 3-piece scenario, and I've made the mistake in the past of putting this on the wrong way. So what you want to do from experience is you want these ridges to be going or to be showing on this plate. If you put it in the wrong way, guys, the ridges will be down, they're not showing. Also, there's an indentation back here where the handle seats, but you could make that mistake. A while back, I believe my buddy Carl, Cito4633, sent me these blades to test. And I want to thank Carl once again for his support. I'll do it upside down. Tighten this bad boy up. You want to make sure it's tight. This top piece will bend the blade so it's sitting the right way. Let's get cooking. We're going to go with 3 passes today. First pass is going to be with the grain of the hair on my face, wetting the blade. And let's get cooking. Now you want to use about a 30-degree angle, and you want to use short strokes, letting the weight of the blade do the work, and that is nice. Beautiful. Flipping it over, you have 2 sides of the double-edged razor, so use them both. Again, short strokes, preferably not talking. But do you hear that blade doing the work? Now I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of water. Because I've been talking. I want to make sure that the lather is moist or wet. And we're going to go. Nice, very nice. Short strokes. You hear that blade doing the work? I am loving this. Wow. I'm really loving this, guys. Look, if you've been thinking about it, if you've been thinking about a DE safety razor in your future, but you're a little bit worried about cutting yourself up, I say jump in. There is nothing like it, guys. Now I'll tell you what, that provides a nice shave, but you are a little bit exposed. So you'd have to take your time. All right, hair on my neck grows up. So shaving with the grain, I'm gonna flip this blade over and I'm gonna shave up again, short strokes. Take your time. And it's just nice. This blade and this razor is doing quick work of that stubble, and you hear the blade doing the work. Now on the second pass, I'll have a better consistency of the lather because I let it get a little bit too dry talking too much. But you know what? This has been, I am loving this. I'll be honest with you guys. Barber up. Loving it. First pass in the books. Pass 2 will be a cross grain cut. But I tell you what, guys, except for a couple of spots, I'm feeling baby smooth. More Gillette foam mouse. I'll get it a little bit thinner in consistency now for my cross grain cut. And on my neck, I don't know if I'm gonna go cross grain because you have to have great technique or you're gonna get into trouble with the cross grain. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll try out those green sticks if I cut myself up. So cross grain, you're going across the grain of the hair on your face and your neck here. And I like to do a little bit of longer strokes for cross grain, but see that? Oh, and hear that blade doing the work? Again, take your time. There's no need to rush. And no need to dig. You're shaving, not digging. Using the weight and the heft of the device to do the work. Beautiful. You got 2 blades, remember that. Flip it over. Guys, I'm really impressed. All right, I'm gonna dare myself. I'm gonna try the cross grain. Oh, smooth razor, guys. You hear that blade doing the work? I am really enthusiastic about this. Barber up. Take your time. And let the device do the work. And I'll leave that Adam's apple. Awesome. Feeling good, smooth. I'm loving it. 2 shaving passes in the books, and now I'm going to finish it off with the 3rd and final pass, which is going to be an against the grain cut. I feel a couple of spots that need to be attended to. I'm going to go with just a little bit of my foamy, guys. Just a little bit of the foamose, because this is just a finishing pass. Nice thin application. Again, get the blade wet. I'm going to start on the neck. Against the grain, so the hair on my neck is growing upwards. Against the grain would actually be the traditional handle grip. And I'm going to start. Nice short strokes. Remember, 30-degree angle. Letting the weight of the device do its work. Cleaning that blade. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, Adam's apple trick, guys. I've got a pronounced Adam's apple. You've probably seen this before if you've watched my channel, but I'll give it to you again. To get rid of the pronounced Adam's apple for a shave, you could do a couple of different things. You could actually slide the skin over, which I don't like to do, or you can swallow hard and hold it, which flattens this area out, eliminates the Adam's apple, and you can do your work in that area. So let's go and do that. Swallow hard and hold it. Which flattens that area out. Against the grain on the face now, guys. Wet my blade up. You want to keep your blade wet. So across, against the grain, hair on my face grows down. Against the grain would be up. Short strokes. Keep it wet. Take your time. Don't talk like the clown in front of you. Because you can really get into trouble. What a beautiful thing. The Barber Up Astra green blade kit with the green sticks from Barber Up. I didn't need them today, guys, but it's a great kit. It's probably, I would say, one step up, sort of a moderate buy if you're looking at getting into the DE wet shaving game. I'm gonna rinse off with warm water, guys, and follow it up with the aftershave of your choice. If I'm choosing Duke Cannon's ice cold aftershave balm. I just love this stuff. Nice smell of menthol. I gotta bring you some new products, guys. But for now, I'll go with my old standby. Feels good, smells good, looks good. Wow. I'm gonna say wow. Wow. I'm really impressed by this Barber Up safety razor here with this nice green brass handle. Again, lots of weight here, guys, and a little bit more aggressive than I've tried in the past. You see that blade's exposed a heck of a lot more than I'm used to, but I'll tell you what, guys, great shave. Once you buy a safety razor, guys, buying blades, when you find a blade you like, these Astra blades, these Astra greens are nice. Once you find a blade you like and the razor that you like, I mean, you can buy in bulk and save yourself a load. Unlike the cartridge that has all the protection around the blades and the lubrications and the goop, you really have to take your time because you can cut yourself up, but I'll tell you, there's nothing like it. Smooth, irritation free. Look at that. Beautiful shave. So the Barber Up green stick, I'm gonna call this the Barber Up green stick safety razor. Average guy tested, average guy approved. I'll leave you a link in the description box below so you can pick this up for yourself. If you've done DE shaving, if you like it, you will love this, guys. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Leave me your comments below. Send me your support. Let me know what you want to see next. And within reason, I just might do it. I just might do it. No need for the green sticks today. But if I had nicked myself up, oh, I did. Look right here. All right, let's check that out. So in these green sticks, the package, they look like little matches. So you apply some water and you apply right to that nick. And it gets you ready to go. Get you ready to go. I feel a little bit of a tingle. Come on, guys. I even cut myself for you. Now that is value. All right, guys. I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the day after. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play and Barber Up, boys. 2 minutes have gone by and there is no hint. No blood on a shirt as you're driving down the interstate towards your job. Barber Up green sticks. Average guy tested, average guy approved.